Step 1. Collection of old tires. Thousands of old tires are gathered and piled up. Rows of rubber trees are tapped, and the white latex flows down metal spouts into collection cups.
The white, milky liquid called latex flows out and is gathered in a small cup.
Large industrial mixers blend the natural rubber, recycled rubber, and chemicals together.
The smooth rubber mixture is pressed and shaped into long, flat strips. The processed rubber is formed into large, solid blocks and placed on a conveyor belt.
The rubber blocks are fed into heavy rolling machines.
The rubber sheets pass through heavy rollers that press them flat and smooth. Multiple layers are stacked together to get the
rubber mixture is pressed through large rollers to form wide, smooth sheets. These sheets flow out of the machine and are stacked neatly to the side. The wide rubber sheets are cut and stacked neatly as they come out of the machine.
Move the pallets to line 3. We need to clear this area for the next batch.
Powerful fans and machines blow air to dry and cool the freshly made rubber sheets. This step removes any extra moisture and helps the rubber set properly.
A large roll of strong fabric is unrolled and laid on top of the rubber sheet.
A smooth, black rubber sheet is rolled out by the machine to form the outer layer of the tire.
After cutting, the rubber strips are rolled up onto large spools. These rolls are easy to transport and store.
The cut rubber strips are rolled onto large orange spools. This keeps the strips organized and easy to handle for the next stage.
Machines unroll the rubber sheets and cut them to the exact size needed for each tire.
The rubber sheets pass through heavy rollers in a process called calendering.
The rubber sheets go through one last set of rollers to make sure they are perfectly smooth and even.
Check the thickness on that last batch. Okay.
All within tolerance.
Perfect. Let's keep the line moving.
A special roller presses the unique tread pattern into the rubber sheet. This pattern is what gives tires their grip on the road.
Watch your spacing.
Looks good. Set it down right there.
The next sheet is coming through now. Okay, the alignment is complete. Moving it to the press.
The rubber strips and reinforcement cords are brought together on the production line.
The bonded rubber and cord layers are cut into the exact sizes needed for each tire.
A special machine forms the tire bead, which is the strong edge. The bead is made by wrapping steel wire with rubber and pressing it into shape.
A special rubber sheet, called the inner liner, is formed and smoothed by rollers.
Conveyor belts carry the different rubber strips and layers up to the tire assembly area. The blue belts keep everything organized and moving quickly.
The process is fast and precise, making sure every tire is built exactly the same.
The nearly finished tire is removed from the drum and checked by machines for any defects.
Robotic arms use red lasers to perfectly align and join the final layers of the tire.
The assembled layers are pressed and shaped on a special drum. Machines squeeze the layers together.
Lasers scan the finished tire assembly for any flaws or misalignments. The system checks the tire from every angle.
In this step, the African-American male technician carefully assembles the different layers of the tire onto a rotating wheel.
Robotic arms and laser systems work together to bond the tire's layers with precision. Once the tire assembly is complete, robotic arms carefully lift and transfer the uncured tires onto conveyor systems. In this step, the uncured tires are loaded into specialized molds by automated machinery. These molds will shape the tires.
Robotic arms carefully lift and transport the tires along the production line. Next, the tires enter the curing phase. Here, they are heated and pressurized inside special molds. After curing, the tires are cooled and removed from the molds by automated systems. Finally, the finished tires are moved to automated storage racks, ready for shipment.
Skilled workers carefully remove excess rubber or imperfections from the tire surface. Using specialized tools, in the last stage, male technicians continue the detailing process, making sure every tire meets the factory's high standards.
These color codes help identify the tire's specifications, batch, and intended use, making inventory management and quality control more efficient.
Each tire undergoes a final laser inspection. High-precision lasers scan the surface and structure of the tire. The last step is dynamic balance testing. Specialized machines spin each tire at high speed to ensure perfect balance and roundness. Next, robotic arms apply labels and quality control tags to each tire.
The last step is dynamic balance testing. Specialized machines spin each tire at high speed.
At this stage, advanced robotic arms take over.
The last step is dynamic balance testing. Specialized machines spin each tire at high speed.
Next, powerful robotic arms take center stage, welding the wheel components together with incredible precision.
After welding, the wheels move down a high-tech assembly line where robots perform finishing touches and final inspection.
Now, the wheel rims are precisely assembled and secured using automated torque tools.
The finished tire is carefully mounted onto the wheel.
Next, powerful robotic arms take over.
precisely gripping and aligning each tire and wheel assembly.
Finally, robotic systems take over, sorting and preparing the finished tires for shipment.
Finally, the finished tires roll onto automated conveyors, where they're sorted and prepared for shipping.
With production complete, the tires are transported on conveyors.
The finished tires are stored in vast, organized warehouses, ready to meet global demand.
Finally, forklifts and automated systems prepare the tires for shipment. From here, they'll be delivered to dealerships